Hello everyone. Like most living organisms, plants are also capable of movement. However, the movements of plants is very different from that of animals. Movements in plants are of two types, dependent on growth and independent of growth. Let us see coordination in plants for a movement independent of growth. Immediate response to stimulus. Take a glance at this. This is the touch me not plant. We can see that when a finger touches the leaves, they curl inwards. But do you see what is odd here? The point of the touch is different from where the curling begins. These arrows show where the stimulus is and where the response is. The response occurs at a different location than the stimulus. This means that a message had to be carried from the tip of the leaf to the middle of the leaf. Also, did you know that you can only see two leaves in this picture? The small leaflets curling inwards are all part of the same leaf. So, how is message carried? Animals have the nervous system, so they use neurons to deliver the message. But we know that plants do not have a nervous system. Plants use an electrical chemical means to convey this information from cell to cell. The transmission of a message in the nervous system is also electrical chemical in nature. Plants also don't have muscles, so let's see how they move. Some plant cells must change their shape for movement to occur. Here is a simplified image of a plant cell. It looks very different from an animal cell. But like in animals, the muscles contain proteins that can change the shape of the cell. Plants can do so too, but they use another process for it. Plant cells change their shape by changing the amount of water in them, swelling or shrinking. A plant cell contains water which helps it to maintain its structure. Now, if the water were to be increased, the cell would swell up. If the water was removed, it would shrink. Thus, through several such shrinking and swelling processes, plants can move. It is also with this mechanism that the touch me not plant shies away from all of us. Thank you, and I hope you've gained something from it.